Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on or off silent mode on your iPhone 17 Pro. All right, let's begin. There are two easy ways to control silent mode on your iPhone 17 Pro. The first method is by using the Action button. Open Settings, tap Action button, and make sure it's assigned to silent mode. If it's set to another function, swipe through the options until silent mode is selected. Once it's configured, simply press and hold the Action button to enable silent mode. You'll see the silent icon appear at the top of the screen, confirming that your iPhone is muted. To turn silent mode off, press and hold the Action button again. The silent icon will disappear, indicating that your iPhone is back in ring mode. If you're using the Action button for another feature, you can still control silent mode through Settings. Open Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics. At the top, tap Silent Mode and toggle it on or off. When enabled, the silent icon appears in the status bar. When disabled, the icon disappears and your iPhone returns to normal sound mode. So that's basically how you can turn on or off silent mode on your iPhone 17 Pro. That's it for this video. Thanks!